Rainy day conversation practice.
Anna, did you bring an umbrella today?
No, I forgot. Is it raining?
Yes, it's raining a lot right now.
Oh no, I'm going to get wet.
I can share mine with you.
Thank you, Tom. You're so kind.
Rainy days are difficult without an umbrella.
True, I always forget mine.
How do you feel on rainy days?
A bit sleepy, honestly.
Same. Rain makes me tired.
But I like the sound of rain.
Me too. It's relaxing.